Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Maurice Trimble Jr. here, aka the role model, and being in Power as a independent solar power consultant. I want to make this quick video for all of people on my team, newcomers that are coming on a team, as well as it's going to be used by anybody in Power from that standpoint. But just a perspective on it. This video is mainly going to be dealing in terms of the actual the putting a lead in. I'm submitting my first lead into the system, and as I submit my first lead in the system here, I wanted to just record it, do a screen recording. So let me go ahead and do that right now. So we have one of my team members, Gerardo Rodriguez. Okay, he gave me the permission, so I can definitely show you all how this works so far as for the team. Anyone that has the link to this video can see it, but please don't share it because it has this personal information here, and mainly this is just as a demo purpose, for my team. So it's the link. This is going to be private so far as this YouTube video, but I do want it to be shown so it could be seeing how I submit my first lead. So when you first come and go to your site, okay, and I'm gonna go here just to show you all, powur.com / Maurice Trimble Jr. Or you can go to /join or /solar, right? It's the same site for all of us. Once we go here, we sign in, okay? That's the first thing. So we'll go ahead and log in. Once we log in, as everybody can see it right here as I'm showing it, there's my login, the credentials are there. We'll go ahead and log in. Now, once I log in, what you're going to do is see right here, this says add lead. This is where you're going to click on, everybody. When you spoke to a homeowner, you actually piqued their interest. Remember, we want to be the preview of the movie, right? We want to be the trailer of the movie. We do not want to be the movie, okay? So once you put that lead in, you click this, it pops up this menu right here. Can you see that? So once this pops up here, create new lead, you'll put the information, street address, city, contact, all this information in there. That's what you'll put, okay? Once you fill out all that information, I'm going to go ahead and slide over to the next screen so you can see, but that's how you do it, okay? To show you all what it looks like with my my partner Rico that's running with us on the Power Hitters. Now, of course, I'm gonna click over here just to show y'all what this looks like too. We're gonna X out of that. Here's projects, right? Here he is right here. I can see that he's this is a project we're doing with him. There's the mentor I submitted. I'm gonna show y'all all how that works. Here's the event. He became, so far as qualified. See, these are the events that's happening, right? Let's go back to projects. And we're going to go to this lead. So I'm going to show you. Click here. So now we have this lead. We have this information filled out. Now, as soon as you type that address and you hit save, it pops this up. This is the map that's showing the information here, right? And when it's showing this information, when I first came here, it actually put the little blue marker. See this little blue marker right here? It put that marker on the other side. It actually had put it, and I'm going to show you how it looks so y'all can see it. And what I like to do, it put it on this house. So the marker was on the wrong house. It's over here. I moved it to go back to the right house right here. And see when you move it, how this comes back to say save, right? So like if I move it right here, right, the marker to that house, you see that? But that's not the right house, right? I know that he stays here, looking from the top point of view. So you want to move it over here to the right house, right? And that's where it is, right here. You see this? He's right there. Now, here's what I like to do. I like to, when you have the address, you can use this tool called Google Earth, which I'm pretty sure everybody's familiar with, right? In Google Earth, I'm going to go ahead and take it from the space view. This is how it would be when you first come to Google Earth. This tool here, originally made by NASA, is such a great tool, simulator, right? So I can click on search in Google Earth and type in the information, which I'm going to put right here, and it's already there in there. And now it's going to take me to that actual geometric spot, zoom all the way in. Now, you see this? This is how I will see. From here, you can get a good idea of what's going on with what's in the way, trees, anything like that. You can see it from here. Like I want to get the north view to go around. So you see this? This is Google Earth, how I can see this here. So I can see when I look at it, it was over here when I first put the address in. but I know that he's right here. And this is how you have to address it, okay? You got to make sure that you got the right place. You can look around. You can see what's going on with this property, okay, where the homeowner is at. So anyway, hopefully that was helpful. Now that we have that in and we saved it again, so we have it saved. It says here, see, it says lead details saved, right? Now we click on the next step, site info. This is where you upload the actual utility bill, okay? The power bill, the electric bill, it goes here. Now I'm gonna go here and show you when he has sent over the bill to me, right? It looked it like this. He took it with a screenshot with his phone, right? Even though I can see that and zoomed in, that was fine. It's much better to get a clean, clear, precise copy, pristine copy. Look how that looks, because this is a PDF, right? 4 pages. 2 pages of just, data, marketing or whatnot and everything. But the other 2 pages, the second page is all the usage, where you'll find the kilowatt hours that we deal with. See, in this case, it's electric and gas, right? You see the meter information there. Then we come up here and we see the grid. Here's the grid right here that we can see, natural and electricity, kilowatt hours, right? And it has the total account balance, which we know how we get that, right? It's the kilowatt hours, the total usage, right? Which in this case, 1246. Divide that by the total amount of the account balance, right? 198. Also, is another thing I want to point out real fast. I don't want to forget this point. I had a little issue with finding this question because, see, you got to fill out all this information. You got to put your annual consumption right here in kilowatt hours, right? You got to put the utility company, right? You got to put the installer. Now, this part here is in the training that you're going to get. If you don't know how to do this, that's because you haven't took the training. And as soon as you join and pay your $150, $99 registration fee, $49 for the actual technology fee, because all this that we're using right here, this is all the technology that we get, right? Proposals, everything that's done with just the technology the company gives us, Powur. This is what we're paying for, right? And the more people that are paying that $49 on the monthly cost, and the more people that join, the more technology is going to increase and get better. We're going to get even better tools and resources going forward, okay? So everybody is doing their part to make this company get big as possible, to have this environmental change we're looking to do, this mission, then 2 billion homes we're looking to get and reach that goal. So I know that in Texas, and I'm going to show you so you can see. But real quick, the main panel, you see this right here? It says main service panel. I didn't know which amps it was, right? I reached out to my mentor, Charles Thompson. He helped me out with that. But also, the homeowner, Gerardo, he sent me this. So this right here is something that actually he went and saw the panel right there. And you can look right here over here. If you can see, it says 125 and max. It says it right there, right? So anyway, that shows that part. Now, let me go here and show you this. On the test, the quiz that you got to take so you know what you're doing, right? It's called the LMS. You'll get an email sent to you showing that. And the LMS is the learning marketing system or learning management system. And that's going to pretty much, you take that test so you can be able to know what to do when you're doing the leads, when you're going through proposal, when you're signing your mentor, when you're qualifying, when you're doing all of these steps, everything you need to know. You don't have to, even if you didn't have an upline or someone helping you, which you do, right? This company is great with support. But what I love about Powur is they make it to where the representative can be self-sufficient even with the tools that they give you and their resources. There's really no need for you not to know what's going on because they give you everything to know. See, this right here, Titan, this is the solar power installation company. And Nevada, Texas, Florida, AZ for Arizona, New Mexico, right? I'm focused on Nevada, Texas, Arizona myself in particular. But one more to add to this list, California. Those are the 6 hot market states, right? Those are the hot states. Like we come here, right? We'll see California. We got there, California. Like these are the hot states, right? But I'm in Texas for the purpose of this actual demo, solar power. So it tells you what you need. You need all of these. Sign installation agreement, sign loan docs for Loan Pal, right? This is the information for that. You need a clean copy of the utility bill, right? In Texas, it says you also need to get a copy of the customer's driver's license. Upload all docs except for the signed installation agreement to the notes on your project, right? So seeing that we know that now, we'll go back here right? Once we fill out all this information, the customer told me all of this. They told me that it was, so far as the asphalt, it was 10 years. We found the amps or whatnot on the actual main service panel. They went and took a picture of that for me. They know it's roof that they want, right? They put their spectrum in here because it is a HOA, so they put that. And we want here loan. We'll put that in there. Now we'll hit save. Now it says site information updated. We'll go down to notes. I already put here the driver's license from the homeowner for Gerardo. I put here the electric full bill PDF from Gerardo. Make sure that bill is clean and concise and really, because y'all saw the difference what I showed you. That bill, the actual power bill, whether it's first page, second page, third page, it got to be clear. It's got to look really, really clean, okay? Now I'm going to actually put another file here that I'm going to show y'all. So I'm going to come here. It's electric bill. Here we go. And I'm going to put this. So I put that main service panel. You click complete file upload, and that's going to do its thing. So these are all the steps. And pretty much when you do that, you're about done. So now I go to proposal, which is last. And I already got the proposal, right? But it says here, download. So I downloaded it. And this is what that looks like, ladies and gentlemen. So you see this here? It has the proposal solo link. It has questions here, Q&A, right, that you can go through. It talks about commissions right here, right, the M1 and the M2, right. It talks about questions so far as support, and this is in English and Spanish, right. How do I request contracts? Now, your mentor is going to help you for your first 3, like I said, to go through a lot of this. But I'm just showing y'all in the video so y'all can see this, so you know what to expect, right? And this is in Spanish, in Español, okay? So you see that? So as you can see, everything is provided for us. There's really no way we can't succeed. And now I'm going to go check my email. I'm going to show y'all the last step. When I go to my email and I see the lead, this is how it looked when the lead came. Soon as when I filled that information out and put that address in there, submitted it, this came to me, right? Showing you a lead's been qualified. Once that was done, the next one, the proposal, when I finished the other steps so far as with the actual uploading the documents, putting up in the notes, the information. Now I got this, the proposal that came to me. Right? Says your proposal ready. And they tell you the steps. You see this? This is all walkthrough. It's all step by step walking you through. So there's really no way you cannot know what's going on. Okay? And that's the main reason why I want to share that all with you. Get back in touch with the person that shared this with you, right? And if you need more help, if you have questions, anyone who I sent this to, but I just made this as a tool, a little resource so y'all can see that's how you qualify and that's how you submit the actual leads. Okay. Oh, and one more thing. Let me give you another piece of information. I'm going to give you that I think will be really helpful to everybody. This is really, really good that I found helpful information. Let me show you this other point here that I like. Was that the one? No, right here. Discovery mode. Take a look at this, right? These are some great ways to discover questions with your actual prospects, with your actual homeowners that when you're looking at speaking to them about the bill, like, have you noticed your electricity bills going up in the past over the few years? Would you be interested in taking control of your electricity bill? Have you ever considered solar? Like, these are great questions to open up, like open-ended questions to open up conversation talking about the bill. All right. Are you saving any money on your energy bill currently? I like that one. Right. And then number 3, I like a lot as well. Remember, this is all we're getting paid to do, folks. Okay. Get the bill before submitting, do live transfer. That's it, right? And then the other part, of course, is icing on the cake. Refer entrepreneurs to watch our videos that Powur gives us and then join the team, okay? And they can do the same thing, which is refer homeowners for the free 0 down solar consultation. There's only 2 things, right? I like to say refer and recruit. That's it. That's all we're paid for. Just those 2 things. And we'll definitely, when we do our part, we're definitely doing more than our part and our role, as it says, to win huge and a multi-trillion-dollar shift here to sustainable energy, renewable, reusable, clean energy, right? And helping people save a lot of money when they don't have to be dependent on that control of that power grid, that dirty power grid of the electric companies. With that being said, stay too blessed to be stressed. and always obsessed with success. And I hope that was very helpful. Thank you.